If you're searching for a home with an incredible lake view, it doesn't get much better than this. This very well-built Cave Rock Estate home offers beautiful panoramic lake and mountain views with southwest exposure. Kitchen and family room on the top floor with a great outdoor setting overlooking the lake. A dumbwaiter that loads into the kitchen. Mid-level offers a formal living room with an expansive open beam ceiling and an impressive fireplace. The master bedroom features a wall of windows overlooking the lake. On the lower level, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 are suites. Completely surrounded by State of Nevada and U.S. Forest Service land and located on a very quiet cul-de-sac. This is your opportunity to own a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage in the highly desired Cave Rock Estates community